In this triangle, solve for angle A. This is not a right triangle, so regular sine, cosine, and tangent won't do. Also, we're missing angle A and angle B and angle C, so law of sines is out also. We're going to have to use the law of cosines. Since we're trying to find angle A, I want to use the version of law of cosines that features angle A. That is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine angle A. Now we'll fill in what we know. Little a, that's the side across from A, is 105.8 squared. B, little b is the side that's across from angle B, so that's 68.7. And that's squared. C is the side that's across from angle C, so that's 48.6. And that's squared. Minus 2 times B, which again is 68.7, times C, which is 48.6, times cosine angle A, and we don't know angle A, so I'm just going to leave it here as the letter A. So next up, I want to do as much of this on the calculator as possible in one step. So I'm going to begin by subtracting 68.7 squared from both sides of the equation and subtract 48.6 squared from both sides of the equation. So this way, on the right-hand side, these will cancel out. And on the left, when we evaluate all of this, we have 3943.35. On the right, when we evaluate all this stuff, we've got negative 6677.64 cosine A. Now I want to get A by itself, so next up we'll divide both sides by negative 6677.64. So on the right-hand side, these cancel out, and we're left with cosine A. On the left, we evaluate this. We've got negative 0.5905, approximately. Now, since I'm trying to solve for angle A, I'm going to now apply the inverse cosine on both sides of the equation. So we've got A is inverse cosine of negative 0.5905. And if we evaluate this, then A comes out to approximately 126.2 degrees.